Hi friends, welcome to the channel. There is an update regarding onboarding in DXC technologies that they are sending mails to the candidates regarding their onboarding like this. Dear candidate, greetings from DXC technology. Hope you are excited and looking forward to starting your journey with DXC. We are equally excited to have you as a part of DXC technology. As we have informed you earlier as well that onboarding happens in a phased manner so that we can immediately assign you the projects that they are saying. They will give you the onboarding dates based on phased manner so that without any delay in projects, so you can be assigned to the projects like that. And we would like to inform you that onboarding for your group has been delayed till January 2023 due to business requirements, that they are clearly saying your onboarding will be on January or other than next month also, like February, March also. And kindly wait for further information or updates on the exact joining date in the upcoming days or weeks. And we appreciate your patience and cooperation. That the mail they are sending to the candidates regarding their onboarding. And one thing I want to tell you in this video, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe so that you will never miss latest updates on our YouTube channel regarding fresher hiring and date of joining related queries. All the details we are uploading in our YouTube channel. And if you have any queries regarding the same or any other related queries, you can join in our WhatsApp and Telegram groups so that I'll try to help you through that. Thank you.